Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by fitting the correct spool and preparing the thread so tension and stitch quality will be stable. Set the spool on the pin, secure the cap, and draw 6/8 inches of thread. Next, raise the presser foot. This releases the tension disc so thread seats properly. Guide the thread through the first thread guide at the top, following the machine's numbered path, making sure the thread clicks into the tension disc. Once done, move to the next threading points carefully. Now you continue along the numbered path to the heart of the machine. Pull the thread down around the tension assembly, then up and through the take-up lever. Make sure the lever is at its highest position so the thread engages properly. Feed the thread down through any lower guides, then to the needle area. You can use a built-in needle threader or bring the thread tip across the needle eye left to right. Leave a 3/4 inch tail and hold it while you turn the hand wheel to catch the bobbin thread. Finish by inserting a correctly wound bobbin into the case and following the bobbin path. Note clockwise or counterclockwise per your machine's markings. Hold the top thread tail and slowly turn the hand wheel toward you one full rotation to lower and then lift the needle. This will catch the bobbin thread so you can pull both threads to the back. Once both threads are positioned, lower the presser foot and sew a test row on scrap fabric. If skip or loops appear, slightly adjust top tension. Try one incremental change at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.